hello again, YouTube. I'm thinking about doing you know how people do those shopping hauls, or what's in my backpack hauls, or those kind of hauls, or what stuff did I have in my backpack when I was in grade such and such that keep popping up in my YouTube feed for some reason, and I keep watching them because for me, they're nostalgic. It's like I remember being a kid and doing that kind of stuff. I remember organizing my backpack and like seeing how boring it was, but back then we didn't have action cameras when I was a kid, so we didn't have YouTube or the internet. So we just got to share with ourselves. And it was usually a punishment. Our parents were saying, you need to clean your backpack out. Your teacher's like, you need to clean your backpack out. Or some shit. But, you know, now they're doing it on YouTube for views. So let's see what's in here. So I need to clean this out because I got way too much crap. These are Velcro straps that go with my batteries that I don't use, obviously, because I use zip ties. Why am I throwing it way over there? I don't know. This is the battery connector for my electric e-bike battery, which doesn't work anymore. Figured if I ever got a new one, I should probably hang on to this since I took everything out of I gutted the bike. These are my heavy-duty motorcycle tire pulls. It's got a spoke wrench and a valve tool in there as well, because that way it's easier to find them, because it's a pain. It's a pain digging through my bag of goodies trying to find these when I need them. My brain finally clicked and said, hey Larry, guess what we could do? This is a patch kit, and it's just like an intact patch kit. There's patches in there, and glue, and a scraper thingy. This is a flathead screwdriver. Oddly enough, I do use this a lot on my bike, because I break a lot of spokes, and I have to start the spokes on the top. This is a grip. I don't know why. Look how beat up this grip was before I replaced it, and I made it I basically modified it to work with my twist throttle. I cut it off. That's basically all I did, is I cut it off. But that's trash. Let's see what we got. Oh, zip ties. If you know an e-bike DIY type person and you want to get them something that they'll love you forever for, get them zip ties. You don't know what to get them for birthdays, holidays, just buy them some zip ties. They'll be like, oh my god, I love you. This is a chain tool. I've gone through a few of these, oddly enough. Don't know how I broke them, but I did. We all know what these are. These are vice grips, and somehow or another I have lost the nut to my vice grips. It's missing. My adjustment bolt is missing. Hopefully it's in the bag. I use needle nose pliers a lot. Sometimes my spoke nipples pop out of the rim and I need a way to get them back in there when the tire's still on there when I'm changing my spokes out, and it comes really in handy. Also for just like grabbing stuff, because like I got these stubby fingers. This is a package that had brakes. Does it have brakes in it still? No. This is what my brake pads usually come in. All it has in it right now are some cotter pins. These are more of those Ultraverse branded, not branded, but generic heavy-duty tire pulls they send with their tires. More tire pulls. They always send tire pulls out with tubes now, so I have like a ton of those things. These are some more of my, this is a parallel T connector for wiring multiple battery packs in parallel that have T connectors on them. This is electrical tape that's kind of dead. That's nothing. That's just some trash. Oh, look, a zip tie, a rogue zip tie in the package. And these are T connector heads, so that when you get your T connector, if you need to splice a different head on your T connector, you can splice these on there. Look, more T connector stuff. I have a lot of those things. What else is here? Oh, this is just a brake lever. This is, I think, the one I took off when I replaced my front brake recently. What the heck? Why is there a rubber thing on there? I never noticed that before. What is that for? I think there was more to this thing and it came off. Oops. Oh, I know what happened. When I pulled the... I don't know when this brake lever's from, because when I pulled this off, that came out. Okay. I know what happened. This is the kind of cap thing that goes on a hub motor, on the non-wire side of your hub motor to protect your nuts or whatever. And somehow it just managed to get squished into this handlebar, this brake grip, the brake lever. I'm like, what? Okay, that's random. Another patch kit that's not patch kitty anymore. More grip poles. This had something in it. I don't know. It's empty now. I should probably just throw it away. I threw it away. Used brake pads. I always keep these on me just in case, because they still have a little bit of meat on them. And I'm gonna try to find something new in here. Oh, look, another one of these. I've got so many of those. Something flew in my mouth in my room. That's interesting. Busted electric reflectors. These things don't last very long in San Bernardino city streets because they're jacked up, and it's like riding off-road around here. And these vibrate off. I don't know why that's in there. That's trash. I probably broke it when I was out riding and realized, Allen wrench. I need to pick it up because it's my trash. Because I can't really be eco-friendly e-bike rider if I'm leaving my trash all over the place. I don't remember what I use this. Obviously, I know what this is used for. I just don't know what I've used it on. I probably used it on old V-brakes. Oh, there's my electrical tape I was looking for. That's my good roll. I still don't know how it got all warped. And my handy-dandy Phillips screwdriver, which I use for Phillips head screws, bolts, letting the air out of my tire, poking holes and stuff, you know. Pretty handy tool I have on you. What else interesting do I have in this bag of goodies? This is, oh, I don't know what that is. Oh, that's brakes. That's resin brakes I bought that I used a set of and never went back to because they suck. I don't like resin brakes. Another broken electric. Oh, actually, no. I took this one off because I anticipated it breaking, so I beat it to the jump there and took it off. I have a. Oh, look! Another one of these. Another T connector. I have lots of. I used to have crimpers in here, but I lost my crimpers. Oh my God! Look at this electrical tape. I don't know what happened here. What the fuck happened to this electrical tape? Okay. Oh, my back hurts. I spent like 40 minutes working on my bike and now my back hurts. Oh, look. Yet another. Well, this is another adapter plug head. I don't know why I'm doing this right now. All I want to do is lay down. Another one of these. A bigger version of that littler version. These probably came with a kit. I remember one kit actually came with a tool bag. Like an actual legit, like, Velcro shut, like, open it up tool bag. It was nice. Well, there's not much else in here. So. There's other stuff in there, but it's just loose bits. It's the stuff I need to eliminate. That's weighing me down like a whole lot. Oh, this is Gorilla Tape. It's kind of beat up. I use this to mount my batteries and stuff since I don't drill holes in my frames. Because you shouldn't be drilling holes in your frames. They're built a certain way for a certain reason. Okay, well, I'm going to end it there because there's nothing else in there of real interest I can find. I used to carry like bottom bracket tools on me, and I don't know where those are now. And the tools to get work on my Bafang motor when I was using it, but I don't know where those are now. So anyways, and I have spare chain links in here too. Spare chain links. Okay. I know this is kind of childish, but you know, it was kind of interesting too. All right, well, remember to have a wonderful wherever you are, and I will see you all in my next e-bike video. Okay, bye.